Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Good morning, y'all. Today is August 18th. I just got a smoothie. Heading to work. I got an early shift today. Getting off work early. And it's payday. So that's the vibe. That's the win. But this is a fruity tooty smoothie. I think it's pineapple, strawberry, banana, something else. I don't remember right now. This was a small. This would be good for me though. And this was $5.50. Not that bad. I was supposed to go to the store yesterday after work to buy bananas so I can make a smoothie, but I forgot. So this is what I had to do. Spend $5 on a smoothie. But it's cool. I'm gonna taste it right now though. See how it is. Oh, yeah, my shoes. Are they from Shein? Morning. I know, right? It's Friday though. You good? Yeah. Yeah, cause remember I come in at 12, so you'll be at lunch.
Oh, probably yeah. The girl tell me.
Yeah. All right, later.
All right.
This is good. 9 o'clock on the dot. My hair look crazy. It's outside. It's a little windy. Not really, but my hair's so crazy then. Kind of windy. I was supposed to be on the 19th floor today. I'm going on the wrong floor. This is good. This is really good. I chose not to get no bagel today. I just wanted a smoothie.
8 hours later.
I'm off work. I'm on 42nd. And what is that? Where you at? The guy right there with the mask on his face trying to scare people. I don't know what he doing. Oh, look, they got the Barbie thing. Barbie. They got the Doritos, Twizzlers, Pringles, the Cheeto ones. Oh, this is cute. If I knew, I would have came here and got this. And they got the colorful one. Look at this one. The Jenga thing. I think I'm gonna get it, but I have one already. I love the colors. But I have the small one already, like. I'm gonna leave it. And they got this. But I don't know what this is. Probably for kids. Can't be for no adult. Look at this big one right here. Giant wooden tumbling bricks. I didn't even know they had it so big. For $12. I did not know that. Oh, they got a colorful one too. Get out of here though. So that eyewitness music across the street. Wonder what they got going on. I'll be nosy. The door's so hard to open. Oh, I'm really out here trying to see what are they. Alright, I'm gonna go. I ain't waiting. I don't know what they doing. Order some BBQs for dinner. I'm gonna see. Yeah, that's the move for today. I'm gonna pause though. It's the vibe. Yeah, I just ordered. So I'm making my order right here. Alright, this. else new they got in here? Is that Jello? Yes, it's Jello. I need to come here one day and go upstairs. But they got Taylor Swift over there. Get out of here. They still got the rock out here. They need to change it. We've been out here for too long. Oh, they got the rock out here. Go home, shower, relax, watch a movie, eat some BBQs. Yeah, that's the vibe for tonight. I just want to get home to my food.
This is the Queens-bound A Express train.
So y'all, I got home and the sauce is like in a container. It's not cornbread. But I saw, I said honey roasted. Anyways, I'm about to put some Chick-fil-A sauce on here because I don't like, I think this is the barbecue and I don't want that. But I'm about to eat. It's 7 o'clock. I just got home. I'm gonna shower and go back outside because it's Friday. The chicken is looking white though. Oh my god, I'm about to take this off, whatever. So this is it with the Chick-fil-A sauce. And they gave me 2 cornbread. I didn't know that. I thought it was 1. I'm watching 227. Y'all watch that show? I'll be watching the old shows because ain't not much on TV nowadays. So I just be watching the old shows from back in the day. Hey y'all, today's Saturday, August 19. Stop dragging my foot. I'm walking to oh, it's hot. It's like 90. You feel like 90. It's 79 degrees, but it feel like freaking 90. I'm going to that was refreshing. I'm going to Burger King. You just beat me. Now you waiting until I walk by to beat me.
I'm going to Burger King to try their new sandwich. I think it's a honey mustard sandwich, and they have snack wraps. So I'm gonna go try 2 of them. I'm gonna try the spicy snack wrap. Ooh, excuse me. And the honey mustard, and I'm gonna get the honey mustard sandwich. So yeah, that's why we're going to Burger King today.
I'm trying to make some content for TikTok. So, oh, they got the Fanta. I think I'm getting one of those, the dollar Fanta drink. So, this snack wrap right here. Let me get one of those. And there's no honey mustard sandwich. It's with bacon. And I tried that one already. It was good. It's an outfit. I like that bigger in here. Honey mustard. Bigger. So great. So I'm gonna use the app and I'm making the fries. I'm gonna use this app. Look, everything goes by deals on the app. Offers, yeah, what do you call it? I don't buy straight from the menu. It's the same damn thing. Look, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get this right here. Or large fries. Okay. I'm about to make a TikTok on the sandwich and the spicy wrap. And I got some honey mustard sauce. So, I got some fries. Alright, I'm gonna try to stop. Catch it up first. I love honey mustard sauce. Where? I'll do TikTok right now. That's a spicy sauce. I had asked the lady what sauce it was, because I thought it was like a ranch or something. But it's a spicy sauce, so let's see. I'll taste. It's good. It's definitely spicy. It's not too spicy, but now that is good. But now we're gonna try the honey mustard sandwich. Oh, this will become good. Oh, bacon, cheese, the honey mustard sauce. Alright, let's try it. And I got extra honey mustard sauce on the side because I love honey mustard. So let's try the sandwich right now. I need more sauce. Not enough sauce on here. You know what? I'm about to pour this over here. Look, there's not much sauce. The bread looks so dry. Oh, this looks so good. Oh crap. It's not. Why am I saying pause? Oh my god, this thing paused. I thought she was recording the whole time, y'all. Got a TV in here. They fancy, huh? This one right here making mad noise in my ears. Hey y'all, today's Tuesday. Just got from work, showered. I'm heading on a date. I'm with my natural hair because you know it's the vibe. I think I'm going to Olive Garden, but I'm not sure. I'm going to Gateway Mall. I just got outside, waiting for the bus. It's right there down the block. So I'm hungry though. I was gonna go home and cook, but I mean free food. I ain't saying no for free food. Yeah, I changed my earrings because it didn't go with the fit. I mean it could have, but I think this one made me look more grown. The bus is coming. I don't know what bag. Oh, this is not it. This is the other one. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Q8. I'm looking for the 13. The bus. It's like a 10-minute ride. And I'm about to go in Target real quick. But that person not here yet. And I'm not waiting out. Oh yeah. I'm about to go in Target real quick. I need strawberries. I'm gonna cross right here. I'm gonna see if Target got some strawberries. Because I'm in the mood to make a smoothie tomorrow. Oh, they're about to put a Dallas barbecue right here. Oh, they lit. Yes. I ain't gotta go all the way downtown or in the city no more. Ah! Oh. Yes. A Dallas barbecue. I cannot wait for this to open. Oh my god, I'm excited. Oh, they had a Dave and Buster's. A Dave and Buster's out here. I think I'm what is? I like the phone, yeah, the phone, the my phone.
Huh?
It's empty in here. It's empty. We gotta wait. Now listen to your title.
That's why when I went to Denny's, only one waiter was in the restaurant.
One waiter? Huh?
You know they're in the same places, right?
I mean, basically, cocktails, $8 cocktails, they're cheap. I like that. I like restaurants like this, reasonable. Not to go all out. I want my steak medium well. I usually get well done, but I want it juicy. A little pink, not too much now. I don't know how y'all do it. That look good. And this, I think I'm gonna get this and a salad. This looks so good. This man over here shuffling cards. Like, why are you shuffling cards? What's wrong with you?
Start you guys with anything to drink or any appetizers?
I want this. What is it? The blueberry
Had
lemon.
that before?
No, I haven't.
It doesn't taste good.
It does. Oh, okay. Thanks for your honesty. Okay, what do you recommend?
This Castaway cocktail is really good. All of the margaritas are good. They come mango, blackberry, strawberry, kiwi, or strawberry. This Wallaby Dawn is really good too.
Okay. Let me try this one. Alright, let me try it, everybody.
Alright, with the grilled shrimp.
Yeah.
And how would you like the steak?
Medium well.
And what's your two sides?
You're funny. It is. Let's see how this tastes.
I actually took an Uber over here. It wasn't as expensive as that.
Thank you. Well, it's a burnt. She look burnt.
It's a potato?
Huh? It's a bread. It's a potato.
Fuck that, give me a potato.
This is good. She was not lying. Yeah, you're Anakin. This bread look burnt. It's looking like
That's a potato.
No, potato. It's a potato. Hold on. It's soft.
It's soft?
Yep. Are wheat bread is it? It's not even red. I know are wheat bread enough? Why does it look like that?
I don't know.
We're gonna taste it right now. Let's see how it tastes. Not bad. Not bad at all. But I think I don't like the aftertaste.
You don't like the aftertaste?
I think it's a wheat. Some type of wheat bread.
Isn't it
What type of bread is this?
It's honey wheat.
Okay.
honey wheat? I am making sense.
Everybody has been asking me that today.
And I thought it was a potato.
People say pumpernickel. I don't know what that is.
I don't know what that is. Not bad. Taste bread now?
Man, I appreciate it.
Anyways. No, this got rum in there.
You got rum? You're drunk already?
No, but I'm saying. Everybody keep asking me that today.
She's tipsy.
No, I'll take the rum though. I'm not tipsy yet. It's my birthday. But I'm about to bust this up though. And that's his. I'm about to take some because that's what I wanted. This drink right here is good. Real good. I bet it was good too. At first I didn't like it, but it's alright. That looks good. I'll taste that first. I'll look at it. I don't want this. Oh, I think this is probably the same bread. This shit hard. I don't have time.
Let's stick for the biscuit. Let's clean up and look at
Let's taste this. See how it is. I don't want to get it before I leave. It's cold. It's not cooked properly. I don't want that. Oh. And a little salty. Let me see how this tastes. No, box no, it's not what I drink. Alright, let's taste this steak.
It's magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nice habits take a hold when you're not here. In the home when you're not here. On the ground when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you.
I don't like how that tastes. That tastes weird. That tastes not cooked properly. How's the chicken?
Okay. We'll be dry.
Shrimp is good. Eating, they're about to close up. So this fit. Taking some food home and some food for lunch tomorrow. We out.
No problem. Enjoy the rest of your night.
Hi, good.
Oh, you didn't need any change?
No.
Oh, thank you.
You're
Have a
welcome.
good night.
You too.
Good night. Thank you.
Thank you. We're not walking. I don't want to walk no more. It's a little nippy. Morning. Today's Wednesday. I'll just go to the train, but I have like 10 minutes. I'm about to go to Whole Foods and get something real quick. Oh, is this the right price? These are a lot of grapes. I'm about to come back after work. $2.77 for that? Wait, oh, $2.77 a pound. Oh. Getting something from here because I can't get looking for Whole Foods. Getting a full cup. I don't have no change. Bye-bye. It's hot out here. What? Get some tajin. I get some tajin. Thank you. It's my food cup. I know that she gave me the fork that she was using. I had to throw it away because. So I have mango, strawberries, grapes, kiwi. Sorry. I said that? Watermelon. Hurry up. I didn't get the big one, huh? Honestly, I wanted some carbs, but I'm like, you know what? We'll just get this food because they didn't have much in Whole Foods. The croissant is like $3.50 for one croissant. Whatever it's for. Spend $5 on some fruits. One thing about me, I love my fruits. I love my smoothies. Yeah, I had to throw that fork away. I don't know what she. I didn't even know that she gave me that fork. Like,
When you go like this, right, it's reading that number in turn. This here, sorry for that.
I wish I had more tajin. If I knew I was going to buy fruits today, I would have bought my little personal one that I have at home. It's so good with mango. My schedule next week is 12 to 10 or 4 days, and then Friday is 9 to 5. I wish I put some pineapple in here. Take some watermelon. I'm trying my best not to eat crazy, but I don't know. Steak. Good morning, y'all. It's Friday. I'm about to go get some breakfast right here. I start at 9. I have like 20 minutes, so I'm good. It's a rainy day today. Today is July No, July. My bad. August 25th. Let me get an oat bagel. Alright, can I have an oat bagel with light, no, cream cheese, light, and an iced coffee? Yes. Not like one sugar. I don't want too much sugar. You have hazelnut? Yeah. Y'all, it's 1:30 now. This is what lunch is given. Wheat dumplings. Try it. I love it. I don't think I'm gonna go back to white dumplings. Sometimes I mix it, but to eat white dumpling fully all the time, no. I gotta switch it up just to keep my shape. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, some ackee and saltfish. This was dinner last night. Yeah, this is the last of the ackee I bought from Jamaica. Yep. I'm about to enjoy my lunch though. So I'm on lunch for 1 hour. So see y'all whenever.